right, Cadillac fans, here's a beauty. 1962 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. Nice looking car. This car actually originated out of California. It was an original California black plate car. So you'll be able to take a look at the underside pics of this, check out the interior pics, and I'll tell you where to find those in just a little bit. But yeah, you'll see how nice one this looks underneath it. Now, as far as underneath the hood, 390 Cadillac V8 engine, power steering, power brakes. Also nicely equipped. If you look on the cowl tag, you're going to see E, X, and Y on there for options. This would have soft gray glass, power windows, and a power seat. Also, as you can see, the chrome bright work up in the front, nice shape. Now, this would be considered maize as far as a paint color. It'd be number 45 for a color code. This is the original color this car would have came, has been repainted, and you can see a few spots up front where you do have a little touch up. So again, done nicely until the car is well taken care of. It's been cared for, and it can be yours now available to purchase. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. We can check out all the pics. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. We do have 4 technicians in a shop. We also will take these, run an inspection on them, and fill out an inspection form. So feel free to ask your sales associate about that too when you call them if you have any questions. Riding on the wide white walls. We are a correct looking tire. Now, interior of this car would be 35, which was considered gold. Now, I would say that this is probably the original interior from looking at it. May have lightened up a little bit over the years, but does appear to be the original interior. Only thing I did notice aftermarket was a retro sound style Cadillac AM/FM cassette radio in there. That does work. Wipers do work. Horn works. Blower fan works. I was going through some of that stuff before doing the video just to check. Now, if you want to know, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Take a look around these fender wells and the fender skirts back here. Just you don't see any bubbling. It looks good back in both passenger and driver rear. In the trunk, take a look. It looks like the original trunk liner. Everything looks original in the trunk of this too. It's a very cool car. Love these 62s and how that wing went out on the side. After 662, you really started to see the wings and stuff get reduced or disappear. There is an extra set of just the wiper armatures. I don't think the blades were really that good in there. And a couple belts that will be in the trunk and will go along with the car. And again, check out those still pictures so you can see the trunk, the underside, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video is going to take you right there. And take a look at how straight this is. There is just a beautiful shot of this car. And just look up and down the side of that. And again, paint is in nice shape. By the way, the engine and tranny were gone through in this car also. So that has been done. There is an owner's manual and a warranty book with it also. Sorry about the noise in the background there. Moving a car back there, it sounds like around the corner. All right, here's your power windows. Again, power front bench seat. And what appears to be the original interior to me. Let's go ahead and start it up so you can hear this thing run. Whoops, I'll turn that radio down. Like I said, radio does work. Alright, like I said, the blower fan did work in this also. Wipers do work. Horn worked. There's that more aftermarket stereo, but looks great there. Great addition. Dash in nice shape. Check out this headliner. Wanted to show you that too. It looks like the original headliner. Also in very nice shape. All the seats and This side also, get a view of them. Does not appear to be much of rips or tears or really any wear on them. The video shows the seats to be a little lighter than maybe they really are in person, but it's pretty darn close. Give me an idea. All right, slip around to the back of this and hear that 390. A little bit of rumble. Of course, that's paired to the Hydromatic automatic transmission. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to have to pause this a second. So I do want to pop that hood so you guys can get a look at the engine bay, and let's check out how that looks also. Look at how nice and tidy this is under here. Looking good. Underside of hood. Check out this engine bay. This car, you can take to any of your local shows, cruise-ins. Be proud of this one. It's be a fun 1-2 drive. Again, power steering, power brakes. Look at how smooth that runs. Will be an extra set of belts in the trunk with it. Battery shut off. Also, if you'll notice, need that for future reference. There it is. Wow, that's a smooth running vehicle right there. 1962 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe. Original maize color it would have came. 390 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link on it. Click there. That's going to take you right to us, right to this website. You can check out the still pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.